this is Tuna. Hello! So I'm back for another day of Advent. I'm in a new room, which I'm now realizing sounds a little echoey. Today's item I'm going to use as an eyeshadow because this highlighter is a little dark for me. I'll use it as a highlighter at the very end just to see, but I think it's pretty obviously not gonna work for me. So it's called Cinnamon Spice. It's a reddish, like a warm brown with like green flecks. So as you can see, just a shimmery metallic brown, and the metallic bits are green. So it is a really good like Christmas shade for sure. So I'm just gonna do like a one shade makeup look because I feel like I could put this all over my lid and it would work without any other stuff. Alright, I fixed the lighting a little bit, and this is just the highlighter all over my eyes. I thought it would be a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go in with, I think, just another eyeshadow just to deepen it in the crease, because this almost looks like I'm wearing nothing, really. And yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my Kat Von D Saint Center palette and take Revelation and try that because it's a similar warm brown and it's got green glitter in it. So hopefully it'll help keep the same theme. Alright, so I think that shade of brown complements it. It's gonna go in with Absolution, which is the like glittery white highlight. I'm just doing my prepping. I'm just gonna finish off the eyes with eyeliner, mascara, all that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with Kat Von D eyeliner, which is not all that sharp. I usually use a different liner for my wing, but today I thought I'd be lazy. And now I've got a very weak wing, but it's fine. I got some eyeliner in my waterline and I couldn't cover it up. And yeah, Milk makeup, mascara. I'm going to, for lipstick, use the NYX Liquid Suede and Stone Fox. Okay, so that's NYX Stone Fox. My lips look really lopsided. I'm bad at putting lipstick. I thought to tie it off, I would also use the Ink Me stamp tattoo from Rimmel. It's pretty similar to the Milk makeup ones. I think the Body Shop also has tattoo stamps. I don't want to pay $20 for those, and these are $7 each, so. And they had really cool Halloween ones too, so check your local drugstores, because they're probably on sale now. So I think I'm just gonna do one, like, here-ish. It's in a crescent moon shape. Huh. And then I think the last thing is to actually try this as a highlighter. I'm gonna take pictures first and then I'll get back to you. Alright, it's time. I will say, I'm not loving this look. I don't know. I don't like my teeth. Anyways, I don't know. I'm not feeling that excited about this look. But you're a highlighter, right? It's a highlighter. I think, because the first thought when I opened it, I was like, okay, this just isn't for my skin tone. But I would add that it's like not that highlighting. I mean, like obviously you can see on my eyes that it's shimmery, but I don't think it's just a case of it being for a different skin tone. I think it's also, I don't know, they should have just called it an eyeshadow, because I get the idea of like, ooh, like a warm green glitter, cinnamon spice, like, it makes sense. For highlighter, I don't know. Sorry today's look was kind of a flop. I'll be back tomorrow with more. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye!